Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on the correct Chrome OS profile and up to date. This prevents permission issues. Open the launcher from the shelf or press the search key to reveal apps. Once done, type the app name into the search field to find it quickly. Make sure the app you target isn't a system app. If it is, you will manage permissions instead. Now that the app appears, right-click or long press its icon to prepare for removal. You should see a context menu with Remove from Chromebook or Uninstall. Choose that option to initiate deletion. For Android apps, select Uninstall in the Play Store prompt. For Linux apps, use the terminal or the Linux app settings to remove packages. Make sure to confirm any dialog to finalize deletion. If the app was installed as a shortcut, clean leftover files from the Files app or app-specific settings. Once removed, the icon will disappear from the launcher and shelf. After uninstalling, verify removal by opening Settings apps or the Play Store to confirm it's gone. This ensures no background services remain. If the icon still shows, restart your Chromebook to refresh the launcher cache. Make sure to clear cached app data if you plan to reinstall later. If an app refuses to uninstall or returns, back up your data and consider Power Wash as a last resort to reset the device. Remember, Power Wash erases local accounts and files, so export first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.